Get ready to witness the beast unleashed. RedMagic 10S Pro is here, and it's breaking all the gaming limits you thought existed. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic smartphone reveals and deep dives. Just launched in China starting at 4,999 Chinese yuan, the RedMagic 10S Pro is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Leading Edition, a turbocharged version with overclocked prime cores for even more power. But it doesn't stop there. Paired with the dedicated Red-Core R3 Pro gaming chip, this phone delivers up to 24 GB of low-power double data rate version 5T memory and up to 1 TB of universal flash storage version 4.1 Pro, meaning you get lightning-fast performance and storage like never before. To keep all that power cool, the Ice X cooling system uses liquid metal and active air cooling, boasting 250% better thermal conductivity and 30% more heat dissipation, keeping your central processing unit up to 5 degrees Celsius cooler even under pressure. The 6.85-inch organic light-emitting diode display is a visual treat with 1.5K resolution, 2000 nits of peak brightness, and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. The bezels are just 1.25 millimeters thin, and there's no camera cutout to break the immersion, plus the ultra-fast 2500 Hz touch sampling and 520 Hz shoulder triggers make this a true gaming weapon. Powering your sessions is a massive 7,500 mAh battery, offering 10 hours of uninterrupted gaming, and when it runs low, 120-watt fast charging brings it back to full in just 35 minutes. On the back, you get a triple camera system, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, while the front offers a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. That's not all. This device comes with RGB lighting in 14 customizable colors, a programmable magic key, stereo speakers with DTS:X Ultra 3D, and an X-axis linear motor for realistic haptic feedback. And yes, it even supports 8K 60Hz video output via USB 3.2 Gen 2. You can pick between the RedMagic 10S Pro and 10S Pro Plus, with multiple variants and a stunning Wuthering Waves limited edition also available. So here's the big question. Would you switch to the RedMagic 10S Pro for your next gaming phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know what feature impressed you the most.